Okay, so here we are. This house was being fixed up and going to be flipped, I guess, by the last client. I don't really have that information, but there was a lot of work that was being done. There was still a drain field being dug there. This roof was not permitted, and now the attorney has me coming out here to confirm if there is a second roof, if there's a or this roof was replaced, because there's no permit that was pulled, but the roof was torn off and replaced, and this was the replaced roof, but now it's getting ready to get torn off again because the building department will not recognize the deck attachment, let alone all the other stuff that needs to be inspected. And that's it. Always hire contractors that are going to pull a permit. Never re-roof a house without a permit. Pre-tip. So, $13,000 brand new roof being removed and a $15,000 roof being put on.